Hey everybody, it's Memphis J here from Black and Tan Media. It's nice to meet you if you're just checking us out. We are a Murfreesboro based audio video company. We do a lot of weddings. We've been doing that for a while. But we also do videography. We're certified drone pilots. So let us know how we can make your dream a reality. Black and Tan Media, it's time to celebrate. Speaking of celebrating, we're wanting to get you in the skies and celebrating with one of these. So that's why we're here today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to get a chance to win, we're giving away 3 of these to our YouTube subscribers. We're also going to enter all of the people who like our Facebook page. So if you want 2 chances to win, 3 of these. Here's another little stipulation we're going to add on. Guaranteed at the end of February, you got a chance to win 3 of these. If we get more than 1,000 subscribers to our YouTube channel, I think we can do it. I really do. We got 20 days, 19 days, less depending upon when you watch this video. But we got, 20 something days when I'm making this video to get to 1,000. If we can do that, I'll give away 5 of these. So 3 guaranteed. We'll add 2 more if we can get to 1,000. We're giving away 3 of these bad boys, the Furibee F-36s. It's one of my favorite things to fly around when I'm stuck inside and can't get outside to fly. Fun little quad. Have some great fun with it. We want to give away 3 of them, maybe 5 of them. You decide. So anyway, like and subscribe. We got work to do. Black and Tan Media, Memphis J, signing out. Whoa. Yeah, these things are fun, man.